Alright, next step is go here to the markup here. You need to click on the button right here on the corner, and then you go to markup list. On markup list, select column. We have a bunch of things over here, but I want you to check only the subject and the length. Those are the two things that we need for the calculation. We don't need anything else. So if you include a lot of things here, it will confuse you in the calculation. So check only subject and the length. After that, you click on the button here, summary, click on CSV summary, and then click OK to export that to Excel. Okay. Alright, after I export this one into Excel, then we can calculate the weight of that. For the unit length here, I don't really need this column, so I'm gonna delete that. And then I'm gonna click here, right click on that, click insert to insert a couple column here. And then I want to delete this row as well. Here I'm gonna say the steel beam. Alright, so now I will click on the steel beam column, select the whole steel beam column, and click on data, go to text to column. In text to column, you see delimited over here. You just keep that as default, click next. Okay, so now we need to break the second number in this name over here into another column. So you can click on this box order and then type the value that you want to use as a like a divider to divide the column here into two smaller column. So I want to break that right into the X letter here, so I will just type X. If you have capital X, then you type X capital over here. Okay. So then click next, finish. Okay, so now you have this is the column already break out. So now you can change this one to unit weight. Okay. For this column, I don't need that, so I'm going to delete it. So now we can calculate the weight. The weight will just equal to unit weight multiplied by the length. Okay. And then you can drag all the way down here. After you drag all the way down here, you have the total weight of each of the item. Then you can use the formula sum to calculate the total of this column. So equal sum, and then I select the whole column, close parenthesis, enter. And now you have the total weight. But wait, this one in pound only. Why we need to have the weight in ton to do the calculation? So you need to calculate that to ton. So 1 ton equal to 2,000 pounds. So I'm gonna click equal here and select this value, divide by 1,000 to get the pound. Okay. So now I can do a little bit format for the table over here. For example, I click all border and select some of the color. Just want to make it easier to read. And now I can do the cost estimation. For the cost estimation, we need to find the master format first. So go back to the file you have and open the RSMean. So we have RSMean right here. And the master format, because this problem, I say here this problem is a DOM. And because it's a DOM, you see DOM over here, simple connection. So we're gonna try to find the master format code. So let's see. Alright, right here. So the master format code of that will be 0512, you see here, 23.77, and this one is school, so 3 2 1 0, right? And I would call this one master format. Alright, and the unit of that is ton. This one is ton, right? So I'm going to type ton, and the quantity that we come up with of that is this value, so I would just type equal and equal directly to this value. Okay, and then we have the unit cost. The unit cost is the one that we find in the RSMean. The unit cost is 3796. Okay, so the total cost we equal to unit cost multiplied by quantity as always. Okay, and then format that one a little bit, and now you have the cost of your of the beam for this project, right? So now I'm gonna pause the video, and on the next video we will continue to see how can we merge all of the file into one single PDF.